Okay, this particular stone is called metal diamond stone, and what it's used for is it's a bigger version of this, except this is an actual stone, whereas this is a piece of steel with some coating on it, and it's got a groove down the middle here. That groove is great for sharpening fish hooks. You just take your fish hook and drag it along here, and that way the fish doesn't get away, it really hooks them. Anyway, once again, I'm going to put it in this vise. And this particular vise is something you can pick up at pretty much any big box. I think I paid like $10 for this thing. It's probably $20 by now. Everything seems like it's doubling in price. Once again, put a little bit of oil on it, and WD-40 works really well. And see if we can get the angles we're looking for here. And you can feel the stone actually cutting it. It's just like a very fine sandpaper. One trick I learned in Boy Scouts is if you want a really sharp edge, you can make a sanding stick. And you take some fine sandpaper, something like a 220 grit, and glue it to a paint stirrer, and you can get a really fine edge with that. Actually, that's probably something left for a better time. But once again, there's just enough room in here on this stone, because it is only about 1/4 of an inch thick, that you can cut the metal, cut the edge of the knife. Notice how I'm holding the stone because it's really trying to move around a little bit because I'm pushing on it, but I'm not holding it in a way that I could ever get my fingers up on this thing, because you really don't want to cut yourself.